Judith and I are making sushi. I got a whole sushi kit here. We're about to figure out what this means. So this is sushi rice. And there's something on here that says, in a small bowl together, stir rice, wine, vinegar, sugar. We did that, which is that mixture. And then it says, when it is done, fold dressing into rice. Can somebody tell me how I fold this into rice? Explain. How do you fold water? How do you fold liquid? Like, this is gonna be fun, but we have everything here. As you can see, the rice is coming to a boil.
I found a video for you for how to make sushi.
I know. We are definitely adopting Japanese culture. Still watching YouTube videos on how to make sushi. Rice is almost done.
The Latino.
Yeah, right. That makes exactly. Little reggaeton. We're here about to cut the final cuts of the sushi. I'm told you need a really sharp knife, so I grabbed the sword of William Wallace.
This video is sponsored by the Spoke Post. Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. I'm Tanya.
The chef
and today
cooking here.
I'm going to show you how to make nigiri
Chef
sushi.
Jaime,
Beautiful, beautiful.
cooking some sushi.
Riviera
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. That's right, baby. Konnichiwa.
Yes. Fanning the rice.
Kind of like squeeze it, and then you keep.
I don't know how you do that.
You know, like.
We're gonna pause this and we're gonna watch the video again. So stand by.
We're gonna. Well,
Yeah, we have to watch it one more time. I just want to make sure we don't mess it up. After all this work, we don't want to mess this up.
that's true. Look at the.
Cheers. Here
We
it
made
is.
sushi.
It actually came out pretty darn good.
Look at that.
Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Look at it. Oh my God. Awesome.
Estoy.
All right, let's go on. Manja man, let's go. I think Sushi Night was a big success.
Hi, babe.
Hey, love. Look at that. Salud.
Sorry, baby.
First time doing it, I think we did epic.